Imagine waking up to the sound of waves, sipping coffee with your toes in the sand, and living the dream on the beach in Phuket. If that sounds like your ideal retirement, you're in the right place. Hi, I'm Pear, and today I'll guide you through how to retire comfortably on the beautiful beaches of Phuket, Thailand. First, let's talk about the best beachside areas to retire. Phuket offers a variety of beautiful spots, whether you want peace and quiet or a vibrant community. First is Karon Beach, ideal for those seeking tranquility and long walks on the sand. Patong Beach, perfect for those who enjoy a lively atmosphere with plenty of restaurants and nightlife. Rawai Beach, a quieter, more local vibe with stunning sea views and fresh seafood markets. Each of these areas has its own charm, so it's all about finding the one that fits your dream lifestyle. Phuket offers a range of living costs to suit different budgets. On average, a retired couple can live comfortably on 50,000 to 70,000 Thai baht per month, depending on your lifestyle. Here's a quick breakdown. Accommodation, 15,000 to 40,000 baht per month for a beachside condo or villa. For food, 10,000 to 15,000 baht per month, depending on whether you eat local or Western cuisine. Healthcare, affordable and high quality with basic insurance plans starting around 2,000 baht a month. Now about visas. Thailand offers a retirement visa or non-immigrant O and OA visa for those over 50. You'll need to show proof of funds, either 800,000 Thai baht in a Thai bank account or proof of income at least 65,000 Thai baht per month. Finding the perfect beachside home can be exciting. Here are some tips to make the process smoother. One is use a reputable real estate agent familiar with the local market. 2. Negotiate long-term leases. Many landlords offer discounts for 12-month agreements. 3. Check rental listings online on platforms like DD Property or Facebook groups for expats. Be sure to visit the property before signing a lease and always check if utilities are included in the rent. To truly enjoy your retirement, immerse yourself in the local culture and community. Learn basic Thai phrases to connect with locals. Join expat communities and social clubs to meet like-minded retirees. Explore nearby islands like Phi Phi and Similan for day trips and adventures. Phuket isn't just a place to live, it's a lifestyle. Enjoy the warm weather, delicious food, and friendly community. Retiring in Phuket is a dream come true for many. Whether it's the serene beaches or the vibrant culture, Phuket has something for everyone. If you're ready to start your retirement journey, give this video a like, subscribe for more tips, and let me know in the comments what your ideal retirement looks like. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.